Welcome to Miss Mary English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our show. I am Mary. I am a teacher. I love helping people grow.
And I am Jack. I am still learning every single day.
And that is a good thing, Jack. That is a very good thing.
Today's topic is big, like really big. It changed my life. I am not joking.
Yes, today we talk about motivation and discipline and the real truth about success.
Are you ready, everyone? Because we are.
Jack, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt excited to start something? Like super excited?
Oh, yes, all the time. I wanted to wake up early. I wanted to exercise. I wanted to study more. I made big plans. Big plans.
And then?
And then I woke up. I saw the bed. The bed looked so good. And I said, maybe tomorrow.
Hey, listeners, do you feel like this? Have you ever said, maybe tomorrow? It is okay. You are not alone.
I said tomorrow for months. Months, not days, months.
And that, my friend, is what we call waiting for motivation. Okay, Jack, tell me, what do you think motivation is?
It is like a feeling. Like when you watch a video and you feel, yes, I can do this. That feeling.
Exactly. Motivation is a feeling. It comes, it goes. You cannot control it.
Wait, I cannot control it?
No. Think about it. Some days you feel amazing. Some days you feel nothing, right?
Yeah, most days I feel nothing.
That is normal, Jack. That is very normal. Motivation is not always there. It is like the sun. Some days it shines, some days there are clouds.
Hey, friends, have you waited for motivation and it never came? Yeah, me too.
Jack, can you tell us your story? Your real story?
Okay, I will be honest. Very honest.
3 years ago, I had big dreams. I wanted to be better. I wanted to learn English. I wanted to get a good job. I wanted my family to be proud.
Every Monday, I said, this week is different. Every Monday. But it was never different.
What happened?
I waited. I waited to feel ready. I waited to feel motivated. I watched YouTube videos about success. I felt good for 1 hour. Then I went to sleep. Days passed. Weeks passed. Nothing changed. I was still in the same place. Same habits, same results. I failed. Again and again. I started. I stopped. I started again. I stopped again.
How did that feel?
Empty. Very empty. Like, what is wrong with me? Why can others do it? Why can't I?
Listeners, have you ever felt like that? What is wrong with me? Nothing is wrong with you. Nothing. You just needed the right tool. So, Jack, when did things change?
One day, I was talking to a friend. He was not special, he was not super smart, but he was always doing things every day, same time, every day.
What did he say to you?
I asked him, how do you do it every day? Don't you feel lazy? And he said, yes, I feel lazy. Every day I feel lazy, but I do it anyway.
Oh. Yes, that hit me. That hit me hard. He does not wait to feel good. He just does it.
Did you hear that, everyone? He does it, even when he does not feel like it. That is discipline.
That one sentence changed my life. I feel lazy, but I do it anyway.
So, Jack, now you tell me, what is discipline?
Discipline is doing the thing, even when you do not want to, even when you are tired, even when it is hard.
Yes, perfect. Motivation says, I will do it when I feel good. Discipline says, I will do it, period.
Motivation is like a guest. It comes sometimes, but it leaves fast.
So, Jack, what did you do? How did you start?
I started very small. Very, very small. I did not make big plans. Big plans scared me before.
Good thinking.
I said, I will study English for just 10 minutes every day. Only 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes?
Only 10 minutes. No more, no less. Every day, same time.
And?
After 1 week, I felt good. Not because it was easy, but because I did it. I showed up 7 days, 7 times.
Yes, that feeling, that is real motivation. Not before the work, after the work.
Wait, motivation comes after?
Yes, Jack. Most people wait for motivation to start, but real motivation comes after you start, after you do the work.
Did you know that? I did not know that. Nobody told me this.
So what happened after? After those 10 minutes every day?
After 1 month, I moved to 20 minutes.
After 3 months, I could speak more. After 6 months, I got a job interview in English.
Oh, wow, Jack.
And I remembered the night I sat alone at 2 a.m., thinking I was not good enough.
I was good enough. I just needed to show up every day. That is all.
That is everything, Jack. That is absolutely everything.
Okay, friends. Let us talk to you now. Directly.
If you are listening right now, maybe you feel lost. Maybe you feel lazy. Maybe you have tried and failed many times. That does not mean you are weak. That means you are human.
The problem is not you. The problem is the plan. You were waiting for motivation. But motivation is not the answer.
Discipline is.
Start small. Very small. 5 minutes. 10 minutes. Just start. Just show up.
Ask yourself tonight, what is one small thing I can do tomorrow? The same time, every day.
Okay.
Just one thing. That is how it begins.
And remember, you do not need to feel ready. You just need to begin.
Mary, this was so good. I felt everything again, all the feelings.
Me too, Jack. Me too.
Hey, friends, if this helped you, share it. Send it to someone who needs it. That one friend who always says tomorrow.
Yes. Be that friend who helps.
And if you are that person, the one who says tomorrow, it is okay. Today can be your day one. Right now. This moment.
Thank you for listening, everyone. We are so happy you are here. Keep going, even when it is hard, especially when it is hard.
We believe in you. We really do.
See you next time.